Hey, Gracie. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Do you know where we're going for your birthday?
No.
What? What do you see?
The circus.
What, Abby?
The circus.
The circus? What is it called, Gracie?
The Ferris wheel.
The fair? Are we at the fair? Happy birthday.
I told ya.
I told
I
ya.
got you on the Ferris wheel first.
We'll try, okay? Abby, are you going to ride all the rides with us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause I grown up.
Yeah, you're grown up. Finish your dinner. We're going in.
Have we been here before?
Every year.
If I ride on that.